Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open TradingView chart in laptop, updated. Open your browser, go to TradingView and sign in. Click the chart tab at the top and wait for the workspace to load. Use the search box to type a symbol and press enter to display its price chart. Adjust the time frame, add indicators from the left menu, and save the layout to access it later on any device. Start by selecting the chart type that fits your strategy, such as candlesticks for price action or line for quick trends. Open the Indicators menu and search for moving averages, RSI, or Bollinger Bands to add them to your chart. Arrange panes by dragging edges and create custom color themes for clarity. Finally, click Save Layout, give it a clear name, and enable Cloud Sync so your workspace follows you across devices. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover it. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They pair perfectly with marathon charting sessions and make long laptop days comfier. I placed the product link and other deals in the description so you can find them easily. Now let's get back to the video. The left toolbox holds essential drawing tools such as trend lines, fib retracements, and text labels to annotate setups quickly. Right-click on the chart or axis to change scales, add alerts, or switch resolutions with minimal clicks. Memorize a few keyboard shortcuts like zoom and undo to speed up analysis. Use template save options for tool groups to apply consistent drawings across different symbols and charts effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.